Good day. Hello. I am Haina Kahili de la Peña, 32 years old, married, and have 3 kids. I am excited to introduce myself as a potential helper for your family in Hong Kong. With years of experience in childcare, household chores, way back in high school and college as a working student, I'm confident in my ability to provide quality care and support. I've worked with family here in the Philippines where I developed my strong skills in childcare, cooking, household management. I also have experience working in a hotel as a housekeeping or room attendant. I also have experience working as a cook in catering services. I am responsible, caring, honest, fast learner, and patient individual with a strong work ethics. I am thrilled about the opportunity to work in Hong Kong and to contribute to a loving family. Thank you for watching my introduction. I look forward to the opportunity to meet you and how I can support your family.